In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade in Pocket Option. So it's actually quite simple. First, you want to go to pocketoption.com, sign into your account, and then you want to top up and you want to basically deposit some funds. Now, after you do this, you can then go to over here at the very left where it says trading. Click on here and then you'll see quick trading real account. In case you're using this one, this is the one that you're gonna have to, of course, deposit funds on. Now, for the instance of this video, I'm gonna show you how to actually do trading with a demo account over here. You can also do that as well if you want to, and you can basically practice trading with that. So let me click quick trading demo account. And as you can see, you'll get 50K, $50,000 up here, and then you can start trading yourself whatever you want. So for example, this is quite a simple platform. You can just go over here to the left where it says basically the currency. Now you can click on that and select what you want to trade. For this, I'm going to go with crypto, and we're going to do some Solana right now. So let me just find some Solana. There we go. You want to click on that or whatever you want to be trading, and you'll see your Solana. Now here's the price, and of course this is the basic chart which you can look at over here. And up here, as you can see, you can basically select which chart type you'd like. I'm gonna go with candles for this one. It just looks a bit more convenient for me. And then you can also select time frames. This one is going to be minutes, and you have seconds and hours and days as well, okay? You can make it as basically however you want. You can also set different indicators in here. You can draw on your graph. You can basically use social trading or market watch, and you can use a multi-chart if you want to. So that's completely up to you, but we're just going to be going over how to basically trade. So it's very easy. Time over here is going to be basically the time you want to set, so we're just gonna leave it at that, and then you have to put in the amount. So for the amount, I'm just gonna do like $100 right now just for this instance, and we're gonna just basically do a quick buy because this is just a demo account. And then if you want to be trading, you just want to click on buy, and then you'll see that the trader order has been placed. And then over here, when the timer runs out, there we go, it says you will get it. Now I'm just gonna click this away, there we go, and you'll see under your closed transactions, I have just basically bought $100 worth of Solana. Then if you want to just sell, simply choose the exact same amount and just click on sell whenever you want to sell, and then your order will be again placed, and in 5 seconds you'll be able to see, there we go, you just gotten yourself a trade. So you basically bought something and sold something, and then you essentially just did a trade. So that's pretty much how you trade in Pocket Option. This is the simplest way you could explain it. Of course, there's much more to this, but this was just a quick video to show you how to get started, how to use this buy and sell buttons in here, how to set indicators, etc. Okay, so that's that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.